In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete saved searches on Facebook Marketplace. If your Marketplace feed feels cluttered or you're getting notifications for things you no longer want, cleaning up your saved searches is a quick way to take control. First, open Facebook and head straight to Marketplace. On a computer, you can go to facebook.com/marketplace in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to the account where the searches were saved so you see the correct list. Once Marketplace is open, click the search bar at the top. This is more than just a place to type keywords, it also reveals shortcuts related to your searching activity. When you click into it, Facebook shows you a small panel that includes recent queries and, importantly, a section for saved searches. If you don't see it right away, give the panel a second to load or click out and back in again. Next, click Saved Searches. This opens a dedicated view of everything you've saved, including the names or terms you used, plus any filters like location, price, or item category. Think of this as your personalized alert list. Each entry is something Facebook can use to notify you when matching items are posted. Now find the specific search you want to remove. Scroll through the list and look for the one that's no longer relevant. The details shown, such as the keyword, the area, or the price range, can help you identify the right one quickly. If you have a long list, take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct entry so you don't remove one you still find useful. When you've located it, click Remove or Delete. Facebook may use either term depending on your layout, but they do the same thing here. If a confirmation prompt appears, go ahead and confirm. The search will disappear from your saved list and you'll stop getting notifications or recommendations tied to it. This won't affect your own marketplace listings or messages. It only removes the saved search alert. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the remove or delete option immediately, check for a small menu icon, sometimes represented by 3 dots next to the saved search. Also, if your list looks empty, that simply means there are no saved searches on the account you're currently using. And if you ever change your mind, you can recreate a deleted search by running the search again and choosing to save it. That's all it takes to tidy up your marketplace experience. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!